But he makes his money the best way he knows how. Another brother laying down in the gutter. Listen to me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rhythms and the looks that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all. But I think you're moving too fast. Little Precious has a natural obsession for temptations that he just can't see. She gives him loving that his body can handle, but all he can say is, baby, is good to me. One day he goes and takes a glance in the mirror, but he doesn't recognize his own face. The sound is fading and he doesn't know why. 3 letters took him to his final resting place. I don't care, y'all. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all. But I think you're moving too fast. Yeah. Check it out. Show us something. Check it out. Snuck up in the club, smooth as can be. Smoking chronic with the girls, I'm a VIP. Knowing that this is the real place to be. My name is Tricky, R-U-D-I-E. I never stop. I get a flash with the girls in the back, all up in the sides. We don't play when we rock the coat. Everybody put your hands, here we go. Now
let's go now, come on girl, go and bring it down. I wanna see the little ass go round and round. I'ma shake that thing, let it touch the ground. Don't stop girl, steady, cause you know that I'm around. Now bounce baby, bounce on it, bounce baby. Let me show you how to give it to your real honey. Move on it, jump on it. Sticky icky is the way to give it to your real honey.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all. But I think you're moving too fast.
One more time, y'all.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing